Now we see the remaining example of the exercise 5.3 on the direction ratios and direction cosines. Okay, here we have already seen the all examples. Here is the last example in the exercise 5.3. Example, find the angle between lines whose direction cosines L, M and N satisfy the equations 5L plus M plus 3N is equal to 0 and 5MN minus 2NL plus 6LM is equal to 0. Okay, here the direction cosines satisfy these two relations. L, M, N are the direction ratios of direction cosines of the lines. Okay, here it is given L, M and N are direction cosines of lines satisfy the equations 5L plus M plus 3N is equal to 0. Suppose it is equation number 1 and 5MN minus 2NL plus 6LM is equal to 0. It is equation number 2. Here it is given that the LMN direction cosines satisfy these two equations. Okay, then from these two equations we have find the direction cosines of these two lines by using these two equations. Okay, here then LMN there are three variables and two equations. Okay, three variables and two equations. Then find the any one value of the any one variable and put in the second equation. Okay, here we want to find the value of any one variable. From equation 1 we find the value of L and put in this, or find the value of M and put in this, or find the value of N and put in 2. Here by equation 1 it is we find the value of M is equal to minus 5L and minus 3N. Here we find the value of M. Okay, it is M is equal to minus 5L and minus 5N. Okay, and this value put in equation number 2. Here put in equation number 2. Therefore we get here, see carefully, therefore it is 5 into M, it is minus 5L minus 3N minus 2NL and plus 6L into M minus 5L minus 3N is equal to 0. Okay, here we find the value of M and put in this equation. We get this, it is M 5MN, so 5MN, here N can be written as N. Okay, 5MN 2NL 6LM 6L and it is M. Okay, now we multiply, it is multiplied by 5, it is N, 5N multiplied by this, Okay, therefore it is minus 25 n L, we multiply by 5 n, okay, then minus it is 15 n square, it is 5 into 3 15, and it is minus 5 15 n square minus 2 n L minus it is 30 L square, 30 L square, and then it is minus 18 L n is equal to 0. Okay, here this equation, first two equations are in the L, m and n. Here this equation only in terms of n and L. Okay, therefore we can write here it is 30 minus 30 L square, okay, 30 L square 15 n square, okay, then it is minus 25 L n minus 2 L n, and it is minus 18 L n, 18 plus 2 it is 20, and it is minus 25, it is minus 45 L n, and minus 15 n square is equal to 0. Okay, then this is the expression. Okay, now here minus 30, minus 45 and minus 15, take minus 15 common, therefore we get minus 15 get common, therefore 2L square plus 3L n and plus n square is equal to 0. Okay, here minus 15 get common, and then it is here it is second degree homogeneous equation in L and n. Okay, it is second degree homogeneous equation in L and n, so we can separate the equations. Okay, here multiplication it is 2 and addition 3, therefore it is 2L square plus 2L n plus L n and plus n square is equal to 0. Okay, here see carefully, 2L square it is 3L, it is factor, it is 2L n and it is L n, it is 3L n and it is n square. Now here common 2L get common, then we have it is L plus n plus again here n common, L plus n is equal to 0, and therefore we have it is 2L plus n and L plus n is equal to 0. Okay, here 2L plus n and it is L plus n. Now therefore we can write it is 2L plus n is equal to 0 or L plus n is equal to 0. Okay, now here we have find it is any one value, it is L in terms of n or n in terms of L. Okay, here we find the L in terms of n, therefore we can write n is equal to minus 2L or n is equal to minus L. N is equal to minus 2L or it is here n is equal to minus L. Here it is L, m, n are the direction cosines which are the unique, and here the value of n and value of n are the two values, and direction cosines of any line are the unique. Therefore there are two lines, n is equal to 2L and n is equal to minus L. Okay, the value of n are the two values. Okay, therefore there are two lines and we want to find the angle between them. Okay, here it is n in terms of L, n in terms of L, then we can write the m in terms of also L. Okay, here therefore if n is equal to minus 2L, then m is equal to minus 5L and minus it is 3 into minus 2L. Let's see carefully. M is equal to minus 5L minus 3n. Okay. Minus 5L minus 3n, and n is equal to minus 2L, and then it is minus 5L and it is plus 6, therefore it is L. Therefore n in terms of L, m in terms of L, and if n is equal to minus L, then m is equal to minus 5L and minus 3 into minus L, and it is minus 2L. Okay, here if n is equal to minus L, m is equal to, it is minus 2L. We can write n in terms of L and m in terms of L, and L is L. Okay, therefore the direction cosines, all three direction cosines L, m, n can in terms of write in a one variable, and here there are two values of n, two values of m, and then L. Okay, here there are two values, therefore there are two lines, because direction cosines are the unique. Okay, here m, it is n is equal to minus 2L, n is equal to minus L, m is equal to L, m is equal to minus 2L, and L is L. Okay, therefore direction cosines of lines are, direction cosines of lines are L, m and n. Okay, therefore we can write L, it is a L, m it is a L, and n it is a minus 2L, and second line L it is a L, m it is a minus 2L, and L it is a minus L. Okay, here see carefully here. Okay, in the question there are, it is a given L, m, n are the direction cosines, and then the relation between direction cosines it is given. Okay, then we find the any one variable of any one equation. Okay, here we find m by equation 1 and put in 2. Okay, here therefore we get this relation, and then we find the values of n in terms of L, values of n in terms of L, and then we find the values of m in terms of L. Okay, then it is L, it is m, and it is n. L, m and n, L, m, n, again L, m and it is n. Okay, are the direction cosines of two lines. Okay, direction cosines of two lines. Okay, here we can write R, but the values of direction cosines are unique, therefore these two are different lines. Okay, therefore we can write direction cosines of line and direction cosines of line. Therefore the direction ratios of lines are, direction ratios of the lines, direction ratios are the proportional number to the direction cosines. Therefore the direction cosines of the first line, then direction ratios proportional to this, it is 1, 1 and minus 2, and it is 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Okay, proportional, direction cosines ला proportional असणारे कोणतेही number. Here direction cosines and then the 1, 1 and minus 2 are the proportional, because it is L, get common, 1, 1 and minus 2. L get common, it is. Direction ratios are the proportional to the any three real numbers proportional to the direction cosines. Therefore these are the direction cosines, therefore these are the direction ratios. It is the direction cosines and it is the direction ratios. Okay, therefore we can take, it is A1, B1 and C1. It is 1, 1 minus 2, and A2, B2, C2. It is 1, minus 2 and minus 1 are direction ratios of two lines. Okay, are the direction ratios of two lines. Therefore let theta be angle between lines, and therefore we can write the formula of the angle. It is cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 upon under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into under root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Okay, put the all values. Okay, therefore A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, it is 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1 and upon. Okay, here we can write here in the below. Okay, here we can write here. It is a1 a2 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 1 whole to the upon under root of, it is 1 square plus 1 square and plus minus 2 square into under root of 1 square plus minus 2 square and plus minus 1 square. Okay, and then this calculation it is. Okay, here we can write here the calculation 1 minus 2 and it is plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled, here 1 upon, it is under root 6 under root 6 and therefore cos theta is equal to 1 by 6 and then theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 6. It is the angle between two vectors. Okay, here see carefully, theta is angle between two vectors. कॅल्क्युलेशन व्यवस्थित पहा, तुम्हाला डायरेक्शन कोसाइन्स मधली रिलेशन दिलेली आहे. डायरेक्शन कोसाइन्स मधल्या रिलेशनमध्ये काय केले, कोणत्याही एका इक्वेशनवरून एका व्हेरिएबलची किंमत काढून ती दुसऱ्या याच्यात पुट करायची आणि एम ची किंमत काढणं सोपं आहे. ओके, एल ची काढली तर आपण मध्ये 5 लिहायला लागला असतं, एन ची काढली असली तर आपण मध्ये 3. ओके, एम ची किंमत काढली आणि पुट इन दिस 2, देन त्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं, आपल्याला एक होमोजिनियस इक्वेशन मिळाली. होमोजिनियस इक्वेशनचे फॅक्टर पाडता येतात, इट इज फॅक्टर. देन आता इथं एल आणि एन याच्यात दोन व्हॅल्यू आल्यात, पण एका लाईनला डायरेक्शन कोसाइन्स एकच असतात. डायरेक्शन रेशोज इन्फायनाइट किती लिहू शकतो, पण डायरेक्शन कोसाइन्स आर युनिक, देअरफॉर दीज आर द टू लाईन्स. ओके, देन पहिल्या लाईनवरून आपण यल एम आणि एन, इट इज एन एम इट इज एल, एन इज इक्वल टू 2l, इट इज डायरेक्शन कोसाइन्स पहिल्या लाईनवरून. ओके, यल इट इज एम अँड एन, यल एम अँड एन. दुसऱ्या लाईनवरून यल इट इज एम अँड इट इज एन. हे झाले तुमचे डायरेक्शन कोसाइन्स. and direction cosines वरून डायरेक्शन रेशोज आर द प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डायरेक्शन cosines. मग डायरेक्शन रेशोज इट इज प्रोपोर्शनल नंबर, डायरेक्शन cosines आर द प्रोपोर्शनल नंबर. इट इज डायरेक्शन रेशोज ऑफ फर्स्ट लाइन and डायरेक्शन रेशोज ऑफ second line. Okay, a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 and it is the formula for the angle between lines. Okay, when here the question is find the angle between lines, the question when find the acute angle between lines, then here we take the mod. Okay, cos theta is equal to mod of, here only see the ask the question, it is a find the angle between lines. Okay, therefore we get this formula. Okay, and then theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 6. Okay, see carefully this.